Hey everybody, I'm Amber with KR Office Interiors, and today I'm going to show you some of the furniture that we did for Gallatin Valley Pediatric Dentistry here in Bozeman, Montana. And we also got to work with 1111 Design, who's an interior designer in the area. So we're going to take a look at their furniture today. Come on this way. Here we did their front check-in area, and we provided them with Steelcase Ology height adjustable desks. And then we have the Steelcase Series 1 chair again. We have AMQ for the storage pedestal, and it is mobile. So they can roll it and move it around to where it works for them, which is nice. So there's a little flexibility there. With the Steelcase Ology, we did a simple touch controller for them. And then underneath, we also provided them with a CPU holder. And so it will actually move with the desk. And so your cords and everything aren't getting caught up or stretched out as the desk moves up and down. So here in the waiting area, we provided the lounge pieces. So there is the Steelcase Campfire Ottomans as well as the Campfire larger lounge piece here. And then we provided a Jenny end table. We provided the Campfire personal tables here that'll be for waiting bench. And then on this side, we did another Campfire lounge piece and another Jenny end table. So now we're in one of the consultation areas that we provided furniture for Gallatin Valley Pediatric Dentistry. We have another Steelcase Campfire lounge piece with the Steelcase Bowie chair right here. It has a nice yellow on top that really makes it pop. And then we provided them with a chair from Office Master, which is another manufacturer that we work with. And we provided them with the OM5 Active Tasker. And then for the table, we provided them with a N-Work bullet top. Here we're in the manager's office, and we provided them with a Steelcase universal desk here. However, the height adjustable that we provided is from a company called AMQ. Still height adjustable table, just a different manufacturer. And then they have ESI dual monitor arms. For chairs, we provided them with the Steelcase Series 1 here for their task chair. And then they have Office Master chairs for their guest chairs. And it is the OM5, but it's the OM5 guest chair. All right, so now we're in the break room area where we provided them with chairs. They are the OM5 Active Guest Chair again, like you saw in the manager's office, and then the N-Work tables for them to sit at. Here we're in the private office where we provided 2 height adjustable desks for them. Is AMQ, but this time we've done an L configuration for the height adjustable desk. And then they also have the mobile ped that is from AMQ as well. So easy to move, and they can arrange it how they like. And then the whole L desk will raise up and down for them. So thanks for joining me, taking a look at another one of our projects here in Bozeman, Montana. As you can see, we can do healthcare, education, commercial, any of those types of spaces. We are more than happy to help you out. So if you're in the southwestern Montana area, give us a call for your furniture needs at KR Office Interiors.